In my last tutorial, we created a full 10-song album in Suno, all from one persona, which kept the sound consistent. It also kept it sounding like one artist across the entire album. It was the same voice and the same tone, and it sounded the same throughout the entire album, which is amazing. And now that the album is finished, of course, the next step is to create the visual identity for your artist. My name is Lewis, and I've been creating songs in Suno since day one. This is Suno Simplified, so let's create. Okay, so before opening Suno, you have to create the artwork for your artist, and I've done this through ChatGPT. So I'm going to use my boy band as the artist for this tutorial. This way the faces stay the same, the appearance looks the same throughout all the generations and the artwork that we post up to our social media. It somewhat makes your appearance intentional. So now that we're in Suno, we're going to go and animate the image here on this song that I've created. The song is called The Time Is Now. We're going to click the three buttons on the right-hand side, and here's our options. We're going to go all the way down to song details. There is a generate cover art option, but I think for this purpose, we're going to go to song details, and now song details will give us a pop-up window, and the pop-up window will give us this layout where we want to go and change this image on the left-hand side. So we're going to go and update our cover art. So we're going to click that button, and then Suno is going to allow us to upload an image, and it's this image here that I want. Just show you what it looks like. It's that one. That's my boy band. So we're going to upload that image, and then we're going to save the image cover. So now the image cover has been updated. Let's go and have a look at it again in our song details. There's the boy band as the cover. What we're going to do is we're going to go and animate this cover. This is an awesome feature in Suno. We're going to click that button there, and we're going to say, how do we want this boy band to be animated? Okay. Now we can also go and have Suno rewrite that for us, and Suno is going to go and rewrite that. All right, so Suno gives us an option to either do a 5-second video or a 10-second video. 5 seconds is 50 credits and 10 seconds is 100 credits. So that's totally up to you whether you want to do a 5-second or a 10-second video. I like to do more. I'm always trying to do more. So let's go and click that. And then Suno is going to generate 2 variations for us. Okay, so Suno has generated 2 variations of our boy band. Let's just select one because I think they look exactly the same. I'm going to choose the second one. I love it. Save as the video cover now that that's done. So whenever this song gets played now, if we want to go and publish it, I'm going to go and publish the song into the wild, wild world. Your song is now on Suno, published to the world, and that's the video clip that people will see. If you wanted to see what it looks like, see that it's
tomorrow, it's tonight. It's they said it's coming, but it came too fast. Machine learning.
And that's how you animate your artwork for Suno. Now, here is the hot tip. We're going to go and publish this to our social medias. So we're going to go and share. So we're going to scroll down to share to. Now in Suno desktop, you can share it to Facebook. Make sure you got a Facebook page for your boy band or your artist. And up comes the boy band. And then let's type in coming soon. Next. We want to post it to everyone. Yes, done. And share. So now that song has been shared to Facebook social media, and the whole world can hear your creation, as well as see your creation. Okay, you've done it. Hot tip number 1, do this immediately after finishing a song or an album. It's totally up to you, but don't let your music just sit there, okay? Turn it into content instantly. Hot tip number 2, did you know that on the Suno mobile app, you can share your content directly to TikTok? It's fast and it's simple. So it's done. If this has helped you in any way, shape or form, click the subscribe button, share the content, and click the notification bell as well. And that's it. You're done. Your album's done. Your artwork's done. Your socials are posted. This is how we simplify Suno. I'm sure I'll see you in the next video.